Hey friends, if your elbow is swollen, sore, or stiff, this video is for you. I will walk you through a simple self-care routine. Use the Otto 128 Hz tuning fork and a cool pack to help reduce inflammation and ease discomfort naturally. Before we begin, take a moment to feel around the elbow with your fingers.
Oh, they saw.
Gently explore the area to find where the swelling feels most notable. Maybe it's warm, tender, or puffy. Right there.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
To support your body's natural healing, start at your upper chest, just below the collarbone. Use soft, sweeping stroke towards your shoulder. Then move down upper arm, guiding your hands towards the heart. Keep the pressure light. Just enough to move the surface of the skin. This encourages the lymph to flow and help reduce build-up fluid around the elbow. Take slow breath. As you do this is just physical. It's a moment to soothe the nerve system and bring a whole body into balance. This is way to listen, to gently observe and care without judgment. Next, take a skin-safe marker and slightly draw a line around the outer edge of the swelling. It does not need to be perfect, just enough to notice change over time. This helps you track your healing. If the marker gets bigger or more painful later on, it might be time to check in with your doctor. Next, let's calm the area with the cold pack. Wrap it with soft cloth and rest your elbow for about 2 minutes. This helps reduce inflammation and ease discomfort. Keep it tight, no pressure. Now we begin with Otto 128 Hz tuning fork. This frequency is known for its deep, grounding vibration. That support tissue healing, reduce swelling, and calm the nerve system. Strike the fork, gently place it around the elbow, above, below, and beside the swollen area. If they are too tender, each placement lasts about 20 to 30 seconds. Do this 2 to 3 rounds. Move around the elbow gently. If the swelling is on one side, spend more time near that area. After the salt work, you can rest or move a little. Try wiggling your fingers or gently bending your elbow. Only if it feels good. Discouraging blood flow and recover without strain. Remember, small step every day can lead to a big improvements. This routine is for my swelling from overuse or strain. If the area becomes red, hot, or more swollen, or if you develop a fever, it may be time to see your doctor. Always listen to your body. If the swelling starts to grow past the mark, that signals your body might need medical attention. Keep an eye on it and trust what you feel. I hope this routine brings you relief and comfort. Thank you for taking time to care for yourself. Try this once or twice a day and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more simple self-care practice. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.